Curious about athlete's foot? Well, then you've come to the right place. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that usually begins between the toes. One of the most common myths about athlete's foot is that it can only happen to athletes. Although the name of this condition implies so, this is not true as it can happen to almost anyone. However, studies have found that if you are male, wear damp and dirty shoes, and walk barefoot over dirty and possibly contaminated floors, then your chances of contracting athlete's foot significantly increase. Additionally, if you come in tight and physical contact with someone who has athlete's foot, chances are the fungus that causes it will transfer to you. This is because athlete's foot is caused by a contagious fungus called tinea, which is also responsible for causing similar conditions such as jock itch and ringworm. When present in large numbers on the foot, tinea pedis causes a scaly red rash that does not disappear for a couple weeks. Along with the rash, the fungus can cause blisters and ulcers on the feet. Overall, the fungus causes an itching sensation on the foot and discomfort for the person who has it. Concerned you have athlete's foot? Don't fear, just go to your doctor and ask him to examine your foot. Usually the procedure for diagnosis for athlete's foot is very simple. Most of the time, your doctor will just need to examine your foot to tell if you have the fungus. If anything, the doctor may have to scrape a thin layer of skin off to look at under a microscope or sent to a lab. Diagnosed with athlete's foot? Again, there is no reason to fear. Usually it will take up to a few weeks for the fungus to go away with treatment, maybe a month or two for the most severe cases. If the condition is mild, your doctor will tell you to buy some over-the-counter medications such as clotrimazole, miconazole, terbinafine, tilnaftate, and lotrimin. These are antifungals that must be rubbed across infected areas. In more severe cases, your doctor will prescribe oral medications that will make the fungus go away. So, don't be embarrassed or ashamed and get athlete's foot out of the way.